Today I'm at the Dallas Science Forums and I have two sessions that I'm really looking forward to. One of them is related to metrics and how we report them and the value of them. There's a lot of numbers, there's a lot of metrics that people report. Sometimes we need to stop and ask, what question is this metric answering? And the second approach is, why are we asking this question? So the Socratic method to metrics, I think, are applicable because there's a lot of metrics that are reported all the way up to boards that really don't provide any value. It's just numbers, it's statistics. Is it making us more secure? Is it reducing our risk? I don't know. How many times did we block a spam email? How important is that really in a metric perspective? So talking through that and not only providing the IONS perspective, but almost turning into a little workshop in which everyone involved gets to participate in how they're handling the metrics and what they see that works. The second is specific to ransomware. Along with AI, you really can't have some type of cybersecurity conversation without one of those two. So ransomware has evolved since 2014. The objectives are different, the controls are different, everything changes every 2 to 3 years, just like any product. If you have a product, you need to improve your product for better market share. The ransomware groups do the same things. So we're going to be talking through how things are changing, how you should approach your protection a little bit better. And I'm definitely going to be talking about the value of tabletop exercises to prepare for any types of incidents related to ransomware. So that's one of the great things about the IONS forums is it's not the faculty giving a presentation for 35 or 40 minutes. It's more of a collaboration conversation between everyone so everyone learns from each other.